All right, so if your deposit isn't showing up on Binance, yeah, don't panic. Most deposit issues are fixable once you check a few key things. Let's go step by step. First, check the transaction status from the platform you sent funds from. If it's still pending, you'll need to wait. Now make sure you use the correct network, like ERC20, TRC20, or BEP20. Using the wrong network can delay or even lose funds. Double-check the wallet address you used. Even one wrong character can send funds to the wrong place. Most deposits need blockchain confirmations before they appear in your account. This can take a few minutes, or longer depending on the network. Make sure your deposit meets the minimum required amount. If it's too small, it might not be credited. Go to your deposit history on Binance to see if the transaction is pending, completed, or failed. Sometimes it's just a display issue. Refresh the app or log out and back in to update your balance. If your funds still don't show up, contact Binance support and provide your transaction ID. They can track it for you. And yeah, that's how you fix most Binance deposit issues. Just go through these steps carefully, and you'll usually find the problem pretty quickly.